Hello YouTube, I'm Aaliyah and this is my channel, Aaliyah18 Designs. For my very first YouTube video, I'm going to go ahead and do a makeup tutorial video. So I'm actually very excited to be here today because I thought that I would never be here on YouTube. And honestly, it's going to be quite an adventure and I'm so excited to see where this goes. But I wanted to come on here and create fun content for you guys to go ahead and watch. So let's go ahead and get into this makeup. I have a very fun thing prepared for today. So today I'm going to be going ahead and creating a galaxy look that my sister went ahead and sent me on Snapchat. I decided to go ahead and take on the challenge that James Charles did in a previous video where he had his YouTuber friends send him Snapchats of eye looks that he was going to recreate. So I'm going to go ahead and do that same thing here, and my sister went ahead and picked a galaxy eye look, and if I can figure out how to do this, it's going to be right here on the screen. Yep. Hopefully. If not, then I'm just going to cut that whole part out. So let's go ahead and get into this look. Now that we have our hair pulled back, we're going to go ahead and go in with some primer. e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer. Go ahead and see that right there. Okay, and we're just going to go ahead and get some of this on the fingers and go ahead and swipe some on the face and the blemish areas that I have. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and apply some onto the face in every area, on the forehead, the side of the face. Okay, let's go ahead and rub it. This actually feels really, really nice on the face. Okay, just come in there, guys. Okay, and then once you go ahead and got the whole face covered in some of that primer, for my foundation, I have the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage. So I am a full coverage type of person. I like to use a full coverage foundation for my face. For my beauty blender, I like to use Real Techniques. So we're going to go ahead and put some on our beauty blender. I go ahead and put it straight onto the beauty blender. I know some people put it on their hand, but I go ahead and put it straight onto the beauty blender and then tap it onto my face. Just really go ahead and pat it in there. That's definitely a look. Let's drag it down the face just a little bit. I can barely talk today. Okay. I get over the eye like a nice even look. Now I know this may look a little bit light right now, but for some reason the full coverage foundation actually it oxidizes pretty much to my skin tone, so I do have to use a little bit of a lighter shade just to get that nice color. I have gone to a shade that actually would be my color, but then I ended up orange. Not saying this isn't a bad foundation. I really like it. I mean, obviously I keep buying it, but you know, just keep that in mind if you go ahead and try it out. So I use the 16-hour Cameo Concealer by e.l.f. It's actually a pretty favorite of mine. I think it works pretty well. Let's get a little bit off. Okay, so I'm going to go right underneath the eyes. Oh my goodness. I look ridiculous. Okay, and then we're going to go just a little bit up here by the forehead, a little bit down the nose, and a little bit here right by the chin. Wow, isn't that a look? It's like I really like a nice bright glow, so we're going to go ahead and stamp this in. Okay, and then up the nose and around the forehead. Oh my goodness, it is starting to rain. I can hear it. So don't mind the sound in the background if you guys can hear the rain. I'm so sorry. Sometimes I wish I could control the weather. I feel like I might have put on a little bit too much. But you know what? We're going to work with this. We are going to work with this. Tap this other side. Boop, boop, boop. My little sound effects. Okay. Now that we have everything all set and tapped in. Okay, so for our powder, I don't really use a setting powder. I use... It's powder. So I use the Maybelline Fit Me matte poreless powder in 220. So with this lighter shade of Classic Ivory of 120, I'm able to get the perfect skin tone for myself. So just gonna go ahead and grab some of this. A little poof poof. That's kind of what I call it. So don't come for me, please. Let's go ahead and tap it in ever so gently. Let's continue to tap, tap, tap. Don't want to rub away. So it took me a very long time to figure out the right makeup routine. That's what it's called. It's called makeup routine. So it took me a really long time to find the right makeup routine. So you know what? I'm sticking with this. It works for me. Okay, once we have patted that all in nice and evenly around the face, we're going to go ahead and get into the eyes. So here we go. So the first palette we're going to go in here is with my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. We're going to go ahead and go in with this color right here, Certified, and then we're going to go in with this color right here, Temptress. So we're going to do Certified and Temptress together, and we're going to kind of create a smoky effect right there at the top of the eye. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and with that beautiful shade called Certified. We're just going to go ahead and put that all over the eye first. I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. We're going to go ahead and take a little bit of the Temptress and Certified mixed together, and we're going to go ahead and stamp those right on the top. Just right there on the top of the eye. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and start blending it out, get away all those harsh lines, and just blend those two colors better together. You're really going to have to work this shade up into that brow bone. Yep, and once when you have that look, we're going to go ahead and move on to the next color, which is Not My Journey. So really, really pretty purple. So we're just going to go ahead and stamp it in there first, and then we're going to go ahead and fan it out. Okay, just like so. Give it a nice blend. Go ahead and blend that out. Okay, and we're going to go in with the color Hit It Off. Hit It Off. And we're going to go ahead and stamp that on the outer corner of the eye, and we're going to go ahead and start blending that in. Just give it a nice, really want to get that color onto that eye. Then we're going to go ahead and fan it out. Let's give it a nice blend. Okay, once you have that all blended out, we're going to go ahead in with the color Room for Two. Just going to go ahead and layer that on top of that blue. This gives it a nice shimmery look. Okay, for the purple, we're going to go ahead with the color called Good Place, and we're going to go and stamp that on as well to give that purple a nice, pretty shimmer. Okay, so we're going to grab our blending brush and we're going to blend all of those colors together. Okay, so we're going to start with the color Not My Journey, And we're going to start inward and we're going to go to the center, and we're just going to bring it right to the center and stop right there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead back in with Hit It Off, and then we're going to start on the outer corner of the eye, and we're going to work our way into the center. And we're going to go ahead and blend those colors together. Okay, and then for our highlighter, we're going to go in with I'm In It. We're going to go ahead and stamp that right into the inner corner of the eye and then onto the brow bone. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and blend that on the corner of the eye, kind of make a little bit of a triangular effect. And then we're going to go back in with our blending brush, and we're going to go ahead and blend that highlighter in with the rest of the colors. If you can see, this is already taken on a very nice shimmery look. So I went ahead and with my concealer, since I did not have any white eyeliner, and I went ahead and made some stars, made some dots randomly around the eye to give it that clustered star look like you'd see in outer space. With a little bit of eyeliner, give that winged look, and some false lashes, this is our completed eye look. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. It looks like the galaxy threw up probably on my eyes. But we're gonna go ahead and finish this look out. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and finish this look. We are going to go ahead and contour and highlight next. Okay, so in preparation for contour and highlighting, I went ahead and got this, went ahead and grabbed this e.l.f. I'm trying to get on the other side. Went ahead and grabbed this e.l.f. contour and contour palette. So I have a contour, I use this to contour, so it's a brush that I use. So we're gonna go ahead in with our e.l.f. contouring palette, and we're gonna go ahead in with, oh my goodness, I don't even know what shade. I think we're gonna go in with this brown right here. They also have a highlighter in here, so we're gonna, oh my god, that's a lot. That's a lot of stuff. I think I put it down too low. That's okay. Oh my gosh. I'm asking myself, hey, what you doing? With those crazy eyes and those really sunk in cheeks? You guys, I have no idea what I'm doing. But you know what? We're having fun, we're growing, and we're glowing. So please don't come for me too hard in the comment section, because you guys, I'm trying. I'm really trying. And I feel like this look was going to be complete when we add some blush and we add some lipstick. We're gonna get there. We are going to get there. I have not lost faith in this look yet. Okay. You know what? I think that doesn't look too bad. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and try to finish this look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some blush, and then after the blush we'll highlight. Okay, so nice big brush. I just bought this by Real Techniques. It's huge. So let's go ahead and stamper that on right there. God, I love this brush. So soft. It's like super soft on your skin. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, so I think that we got the balls of our cheeks pretty good. I really like this brush. So we're gonna go ahead and with this highlighter right here that comes with the e.l.f. contouring. See, get a nice dusting on there. A little tap. Okay, I see it. I see it. Ooh, wow. That's pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some now onto this side. It's really pretty. Really pretty color. Whoa. My nose is just wow. Okay. Wow. That is pretty. We're gonna go up the nose bone area. Wow. That is pretty. We're gonna go a little bit above the cupid's bow. Now we're gonna go ahead and go into the lips. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. So I wanted to do a more muted tone, so I went ahead and grabbed this one. I mean, it doesn't look as muted, but it comes out a little more muted. So it's not gonna be too, you know, too bam. So it's gonna be a little more toned down. This one is by Maybelline. It is their Super Stay Matte Ink. I love to use these. They just stay on all day, so you know. And this one is called Hazelnut, and the really cool thing about this one is it actually smells like hazelnut. It smells really, really good. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this onto the lips. I'm not kidding you guys, it smells amazing. Like, and if you don't even want to use it, just go out to buy it to smell it. I feel like it just smells so amazing. It looks very glossy and shiny. Let's grab a little bit. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished and final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've had a really fun time making this, especially this eye look. I've never used false eyelashes before, so I actually feel like they really tied this look in together. I keep saying a lot. But anyways, I just wanted to go ahead and wrap up this video and let everybody know that this channel is going to be about a lot of makeup, a lot of fashion, DIY, anything, just pretty much anything. Art, I love to dabble in so much stuff. Just a little quick stuff about me is I actually am studying to be a fashion designer right now, and I'm very, very excited about that. You're probably thinking, what? She wants to be a fashion designer and she's on here doing a makeup tutorial video? Well, just hold on. I have stuff up my sleeve because I will be doing some fashion hauls. I also plan to make some clothes and show you guys how I design stuff. Like I said, I'm learning. I'm still in school, so I'm learning, and you guys will learn with me. You'll follow everything that I'm doing, from school projects to my own personal projects, and I'll be doing all of that on this channel, you know? We'll be having fun. And so I hope you guys really, really enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to see more future content, and it'll be coming here really soon. I'm gonna go ahead and try to post every Friday. So please stay tuned. I hope you guys go ahead and give this look a try, and if you guys want to go ahead and leave me a little comment, I would love that. Stay nice, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.